Here we have a number 9. We want to multiply this number 9 with number 7, and the suitable base that I found is 10. So number 9 is just one sort from the base, that is 10, and number 7 is just sort by 3 numbers from the base. We can write them as 9 minus 1 and 7 minus 3. So this is the way we write our problem. And while multiplying, we put them below each other. We put a cross sign. This cross sign indicates the direction in which we have to do the addition, not the multiplication. We are going to add them up in cross manner to get our answers. To get the first digit, we will either do a cross addition of 9 with minus 3 or 7 with minus 1. Both will give you the same answer, that is 6. So we get the first digit of our answer, that is 6, and you get the second digit of your answer from multiplication of vertical multiplication of right hand side numbers, that is 1 multiplied by 3, that is 3. So our answer is 63. Notice one thing, that in Vedic multiplications, your result will have two parts. One part will be the right hand side part and another part will be the left hand side part. In this case, you have noticed that we got our left hand side part of our answer by cross addition, by adding 9 with minus 3 and 7 with minus 1. So cross addition has given you the left hand side part of the answer, and the right hand side part of the answer was obtained by multiplying, by doing vertical multiplication of right hand side digits, that is the deficiency or excess they had with the base number. That is, the deficiency in the first case was minus 1 and the deficiency in the second case was minus 3. So minus 1 will get multiplied by minus 3. So minus minus multiplication becomes positive. So the answer is 3. So your problem, your actual problem of 9 multiplied by 7 has reduced into the multiplication of 1 multiplied by 3. Because other part, that is left hand side part of your answer, or your left hand side portion of your answer, was obtained by addition and not by multiplication. So multiplication part, that is multiplication with 9 with 7, is reduced into the multiplication of 1 and 3. Now we come to second example. It is also a single digit multiplication. 8 multiplied by 7. We take base as 10. 8 is sort by 2 to the base and 7 is sort by 3 to the base. So it is written as 8 minus 2, and below it we write 7 minus 3. For calculating left hand side part of the answer, we will do the cross addition, that is 8 minus 3 or 7 minus 2. Both of these will give us the same answer, that is 5. So 5 becomes left hand side portion of the answer. For the right hand side portion of the answer, we will do the vertical multiplication of the deficiencies to the base number, that is 10. So we will multiply 2 by 3. The answer is 6. So 6 becomes the right hand side part and 5 becomes the left hand side part, and the number is 56. So 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. We take another example. 6 multiplied by 4. Here again we are taking base 10. So 6 is sort by 4 and 4 is sort by 6 to the base. We can see that in this process, while calculating left hand side, 6 minus 6 or 4 minus 4, the answer is 0. And we again land up with the same problem, that is 4 multiplied by 6, the vertical multiplication for the right hand side. So the question has basically not solved. So I just wanted to demonstrate that our purpose is to simplify our multiplication, and in case it is not able to simplify our multiplication, we should not go ahead. Now we do multiplication of two digits which are slightly greater than the base. Basically, my purpose is to multiply two digits which are slightly greater than 10. Here we can see that 12 is 2 greater than the base, and 13 is 3 greater than the base. So we can write 12 plus 2 and 13 plus 2, 13 plus 3 as our problem, and we will do the cross addition, and the cross addition will be 12 plus 3 or 13 plus 2. Both will give the same answer, that is 15. So we have calculated our left hand side portion of our answer, that is 15. Right hand side portion of the answer will be the vertical multiplication between plus 2 and plus 3, that is 6. So our answer becomes 156. You see the beauty of this method. Our initial problem was to multiply 12 with 13, and we reduce it to the multiplication of 2 multiplied by 3. So basically we can solve multiplication of higher orders by only learning tables, basic tables. Now we will do multiplication of 19 with 18. Here again we have taken base as 10. When we have taken base as 10, 19 is 9 in excess with the 10, and 18 is 8 in excess with 10. So we can write 19 as 19 plus 9, 18 as 18 plus 9, 18 plus 8. We will do cross addition to get left hand side portion of our answer. So left hand side portion of our answer will be either 19 plus 8 or 18 plus 9. Both will give us the same answer, that is 27. Now we will do multiplication between 8 and 9 to get our right hand side portion of the answer. Right hand side portion of the answer is 72. 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. But note that our base is 10. So right hand side cannot have more than one digit. And 72 is since 2 digit, we have to carry forward 7 to the other side. When we carry forward 7 to the other side, it becomes 27 plus 7, that is 34. And right hand side will be single digit, that is 2. So our answer is 3, 4, 2. 2, that is 342. What if the base is 100? If the base is 100, the right hand side number can have 2 digits. Right hand side of the answer portion can have 2 digits. And if the base is 1000, the right hand side portion of the answer can have 3 digits. Now we do another multiplication. In this multiplication, we have used base as 100. So right hand side portion of the answer will have 2 digits. And 109 multiplied by 108. 109 is 9 in access to the base and 108 is 8 in access to the base. So the access portions are plus 9 and plus 8. And the number itself is 109, 108. We will do the cross addition. So 109 plus 8 or 108 plus 9. Both will give you the same answer. That is 117. So 117 becomes your left hand side portion of the answer. For calculating right hand side portion of the answer, we will do vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication between the digits which are in excess or in sort with our base number, that is 9 multiplied by 8, and the answer is 72. 72, the answer is in 2 digits, and right hand side can hold 2 digits because its base is 100. And now we do another multiplication. In this multiplication, we are multiplying 98 by 97, and base is 100. 98 is sort by 2, and 97 is sort by 3 to the base. We will do the cross addition, and in cross addition, 98 minus 3 or 97 minus 2 is 95, and in right hand side portion, we will multiply these two sort to the base digits, that is minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, and minus minus gets plus, so it is 6. But the right hand side should have 2 digits and we are having 1 digit, so we will put a leading 0 before 6. So answer will be, right hand side portion answer will be 06, and the number itself will be 9506. Next example, 102 multiplied by 97 with a base of 100. We can notice over here that the one number is above the base 100 and another number is below the base 100. 102 is 2 in access to the base. It will be written as 100 plus 2. And 97 is 3 sort from the base, and it will be written as 97 minus 3. So this is an interesting problem. We will solve it. For getting left hand side portion of your answer, you have to do cross addition. That is 102 minus 3 or 97 plus 2. The result will be 99. So left hand side portion of your answer is 99. For doing right, to do vertical multiplication of the axis or shortages. In our case, the axis is plus 2 and the shortage is minus 3. So 2 multiplied by minus 3, the answer will be minus 6. And we can also notice that the base is 100. So right hand side portion of the answer will have 2 digits. So we will write 0 in front of 6. So we have minus 06 as a right hand side portion. We know that we cannot write our number in this way. What we can do is we can borrow one number from the right hand side to the left hand side. When we borrow one number from the right hand side to the left hand side, please note that the base is 100, so the number borrowed will become 100. So left hand side will be 99 minus 1, that is 98. 1 is borrowed. The borrowed 1 comes to the right hand side and it becomes 100. So 100 minus 6. 100 minus 6 is nothing, but it is 94. Left hand side portion is 98 and right hand side portion is 94. Our answer is 9894. Now we will do another example. It is 1002 multiplied by 997, and here in our case we have taken a base of 1000. Here one number is again above the base and another number is below the base. 102 is in 2 axes from the base and 997 is 3 short from the base. We will write 102 plus 2 and 997 minus 3. To obtain left hand side portion of our answer, we will do cross additions. Cross addition, that is 997 plus 2 or 1002 minus 3. Left hand side portion will be 999 and right hand side portion will be 2 multiplied by 3, that is minus 6. In our case, the right hand side portion should have 3 digits, so we will put 2 zeros before 6. So our answer will be 999 for the left hand side portion and minus 006 for right hand side. We will borrow 1 from the left hand side portion. Left hand side portion will become 998, and when the 1 comes to the right hand side, it will get multiplied by the base, that is 1000. So 1000 minus 6, it is 994. Our answer is 998, 994. We do one last example, that is 997 multiplied by 997. Both these numbers are sought from the base 1000. 997 multiplied by 997 and the base we have taken is 1000. Both these numbers are sought by 3. We also notice that 997 multiplied by 997 is nothing but it is a square of 997. We have separate section for calculating squares. However, we will also calculate square of 997 with this method. So this is 3 short from the base. We will write 997 minus 3, 997 minus 3. To obtain left hand side portion of your answer, 997 minus 3, that is 994 is the left hand side portion of your answer, and the right hand side portion of your answer is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. But the right hand side portion should have 3 digits. We are having only 1 digit. So we will write 2 more digits before 9. So our right hand side answer will become 009. Combined answer will be 994009.